Hello, my name is Dr. Augustine. Today we're going to be doing a real-time heart rate variability test to prove that Biocranial actually changes and improves the autonomic nervous system. Why is that such a big deal? Because your autonomic nervous system is what cures, treats, and heals you. So you want to be able to do something to improve it, right? Allow it to work like it should. So today our test subject patient here, his name is Chase. We're going to have him lay down on his back. So now we're recording here 192 beats. We're going to pause it to see where his heart function's at, his sympathetic nervous system, and parasympathetic. The sympathetic is the fight or flight side of your nervous system, parasympathetic, rest and digest, calmative side of your nervous system. And it's going to update about every 12 beats, 12 heartbeats. Deep breath in and out. One more time. Breath out. That was a little bit uncomfortable there, wasn't it? Okay, so Chase, we just finished the test, so you can go ahead and sit up. So what we found is there's three parts to it. There's the very top, which is the blue bar going across. It's actually individual heartbeats. And as we did Biocranial, heart function improved pretty dramatically. The second graph is your stress or sympathetic nervous system. That was a little bit elevated and it didn't change, and that's okay. But the real key is your parasympathetic, which is the bottom graph. As we did Biocranial, your parasympathetic really started moving and changing and improving. So that's what we want, because parasympathetic is ultimately what heals the body. We see the further up and better results, better parasympathetic function that we can get, better health, healthier people we see. So that's your results. Great job. I couldn't do this without you. My name is Dr. Augustine from Head to Wellness. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. I'm on TikTok. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Have a great day.